Are you looking for a great way to clean your floors on the market and latest model? Check out our top 5 best spray mops. These mops are perfect for quickly and easily cleaning your floors, and they come in a variety of different styles to suit your needs. So let's get started with the list.
List number: Mexirus Microfiber Spray Mop. The Mexirus Microfiber Spray Mop is a wet floor mop that comes complete with a refillable water tank and set of cleaning pads. The spray head allows you to clean and disinfect hardwood, tile, vinyl, linoleum, and more safely, without chemicals. The Mexirus Microfiber Spray Mop for wood floors is a wet sponge mop. Simply refill the 410 ml spray bottle with your favorite cleaner and keep it in the water tank when you clean. Then just push the trigger on the floor mop for laminate flooring, handle to turn water to water mist evenly, and save water while making mopping efficiency with minimized efforts than the regular wet mop you have been using. All parts are made from top-grade material for long-lasting use, including reinforced responsive trigger and more sturdy construction. Innovative fully sealed bottle will say goodbye to leaking around, which makes this mop perfect for any residential or commercial application.
List number: O-Cedar Pro Mist Max Spray Mop. O-Cedar's Pro Mist Max Microfiber Spray Mop gives you all the power of cleaning, but at a fraction of the cost. This microfiber spray mop uses advanced microfiber that effectively captures dirt and grime with just plain water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. Safe for all hard flooring, including finished hardwood, wood, laminate, tile, vinyl, and more. The large, dual-sided microfiber mop head flips 180 degrees, allowing you to clean twice the floor coverage without having to stop and change the mop pad. The versatile microfiber pad allows you to use wet for a deeper clean to shine your floors, or use dry for dusting purposes. Mop heads can be machine washed and reused, saving time and money. Keep an extra refill handy for the next mess. The versatile microfiber pad allows you to use wet for a deeper clean to shine your floors, or use dry for dusting purposes. List number: Ileden Spray Mop 750 ml large water tank. The Ileden cleaning set features a high-quality spray head that adjusts to height and angle as you mop. The 360-degree swivel head makes it easy to clean angled-off surfaces, such as corners and under cabinets, without having to move furniture or trip over dropped items. This spray mop features an ergonomic handle that provides a firm grip, making it comfortable to use during extended periods of cleaning. The mop's adjustable suction head lets you collect dust and dirt from the floor with ease, allowing you to get back to what matters most: family time. Refillable spray mop come with the 750 ml water tank. You could fill it up with your favorite cleaner. Just make sure clean the water tank when you finish the cleaning. Ileden spray mop features responsive spray head, allows you to spray as much or as little liquid as you desire. Additionally, an integrated drying system decontaminates the floor after a quick rinse. List number: Microfiber Spray Mop for floor cleaning. The magic of microfiber spray mop pad easily absorb the smallest dirt and dust. The extended coal kitchen mop means don't need leaning over a lot and fatiguing your back. The high-quality ABS material and a high-hardness aluminum mop rod make the hand feel more comfortable and last longer. You can press the trigger on the handle to get a cold water mist needed to clean your floor. Just fill 400 ml refillable bottle with water and add 2 small teaspoons of your favorite cleaning solution, and you are ready to shine your floors. Clean floors with ease. You only need to press the trigger on the handle to get the cold water mist needed to clean your floor. The 360-degree rotating washable mop head reaches out every corner of your house, making cleaning easier. Ideal for eliminating the most stubborn dirt on your wall. Windows, living room, ceiling, under furniture, and even corners hard to reach. List 9. I Love Cool Spray Floor Mops. I Love Cool Spray Mop HB380H is a high-quality carpets and cleaning spray floor mop with multi-function scraper for cleaning all kinds of floors, like hardwood floors, ceramic tiles, vinyl and laminates, marble, sealed concrete floor, etc. This I Love Cool spray mop, equipped with high polymer, fine nozzle, and removable liquid storage bottle. It is able to remove dirt, hair, and other particles from floor easily. A tapered edge on the handle can be used to scrape excess moisture or tough dirt off from pad or sticky tiles on floor, while the large head can be used to clean heavy-duty ground dust. This I Love Cool spray mop is compatible with a wide range of surfaces, including hardwood floors, ceramic tiles, vinyl, laminates, and marble. They are suitable for most areas as residential homes, offices, restaurants, etc.